Hi, in this video I want to show you how to remove this error from your WordPress website. So you wanted to log in and then you get this error that says there has been a critical error on your website and you cannot log in because of this error. Ordinarily, WordPress sends you an email that tells you the exact issue you have on the website, the exact reason why you cannot log in. They send you the exact reason. Say if it was a plugin, they will tell you the exact plugin that is causing this crash. But in case you did not get this email from WordPress like me, this is how to remove it. And in most cases, what happens is that one of the plugins you installed malfunctioned, or one of the updated plugins that you have inside of your WordPress is malfunctioning. So you want to take them out. You want to remove the plugin so that you can log into your website. So as you can see, this is a live development and I cannot log into my website now because I have this critical error. So this is how to remove it. First, you have to go to your cPanel and then you want to look for File Manager. So your cPanel might look different from mine, but you are basically looking for File Manager. So if you come to Files here, you find File Manager. So you open the File Manager, and from the File Manager you want to select the website. So this is the website I have, so I'm just going to open this one, and once it opens I want to come here that says WP content. That means WordPress content. So I click on that, and then right here I'm going to find all the files that I have inside of this website. So right here I find all the content that I have inside of my WordPress, but want to come to plugins. So you come to plugins and you open the plugins. This is where you find all the plugins you have. So what you have to do if you are not very sure of the main plugin that is causing this problem is to delete all these plugins and then reinstall them or reactivate them. But I have an idea. I think Elementor is the cause of this problem for me, because before updating it they gave me a warning to back up my stuff before I update it. So I want to come here and then I click on Elementor and then I want to click on delete. So it's going to give me this option here. I just say skip it and trash it. So I say confirm, and then Elementor has been deleted from my WordPress website. So I want to go back and then I want to refresh and see if I can now log in to my website. So as you can see, after uninstalling Elementor, I can now log into my WordPress website. So you can see right here it says this is an essential add-on plugin I have for Elementor. Since I've uninstalled it, it's telling me that I need to install Elementor for these plugins to work. But the main thing is that we can now log into our website. So what you have to do is just go through the most recent plugin you installed, or if you cannot find it, just uninstall all of the plugins and then try to manually add them back. So this is how to fix the critical error crash on your WordPress website. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel.